Alaska's Wrangell-St. Elias National Park is the largest and wildest of our national parks. At over 13 million acres, it's bigger than the country of Switzerland. Wrangell-St. Elias is rugged and very remote. There is only one road that penetrates the interior of the park, and it leads to the tiny community of McCarthy. McCarthy and nearby Kennecott owe their existence to the copper strike on Bonanza Ridge made early in the 20th century. It was the largest and richest deposit of copper ore ever discovered. Our journey to the Iceberg Lake Valley begins at the McCarthy Airfield. Wrangell Mountain Air is one of the most experienced air taxi services in interior Alaska and specializes in backcountry drop-offs. The flight to Iceberg Lake is one of the highlights of the trip. Our 40-minute flight in a de Havilland Beaver takes us over rugged terrain that would take weeks to cover on the ground. Our trip begins at Iceberg Lake, which is a seasonal lake created by the damming of meltwater by glacial ice. Each summer, the lake drains, so we may encounter floating icebergs or stranded ice in the sand. As the plane disappears over the ridge, we shoulder our packs and head up the valley. It doesn't take long before we encounter a glacier blocking our way. Most people are surprised to find that the terrain of a glacier can vary from flat ice to jagged ridges, with melt holes, streams, crevasses, and other features. Once across the ice, we hike partway up a ridge to find a campsite with stunning views of the valley, including the glacier we just crossed. We spend the next several days exploring this amazing valley, and there's a lot to explore. This trip will be specially customized for Outdoor Insights. The backcountry guide is very experienced and knowledgeable about this area. Each day, he will discuss the various options available to the group, ranging from laid back to challenging, and the group will decide on the itinerary for the day. One day we might head up a nearby scramble summit. These are non-technical scrambles, but can sometimes be a challenge. But the rewards at the top are well worth the effort. Our plan will be to set up a base camp on the ridge, and then spend a few days exploring the area before moving our camp to a new spot for more adventures. There are lots of hidden alpine lakes, melt pools, and more, waiting to be discovered as we make our way across the ridge. Iceberg Lake is a stunning area with a lot of variety and a real sense of being out there. Way out there. We hope you will join Outdoor Insights and Trek Alaska this summer for this remote wilderness adventure.